Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening this squishy package from eBay, and I bought a lot of stuff. So yeah, this came all the way from China. Well, it didn't take that long, it took like 2 weeks. Wait, this side, it's already ripped a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from here. This is the first peek. I'm gonna just take everything out. First, let's start off with this. This is a Kiibru Mangosteen. This is my first Kiibru squishy. So I didn't even know what Kiibru was until I watched videos from my friend Wenli. But they are so slow rising. It's really like glittery, pearlescent, I don't know. Well, there is that, and then let's look at this. This is a cheese squeeze toy, and it looks like this. This is the tag for it. It is so realistic. I'm so excited for this. So the next thing is this Ariti scented carrot. It really feels like nothing. Like this too, they feel very airy and easy to squish. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. It's like, whoa. So this carrot smells like chemicals. I don't really get the carrot smell, but it is still super duper squishy and I love it. Okay, so this is the next thing that I purchased. And it is a rice cake. It feels doughy. Whoa. I feel like this could get dirty really easily. I got this huge mushroom and it weighs a ton. But it's also a squeeze toy. Okay, so here it is. It looks very realistic. Whoa. You can stretch it. So I bought this Ariti mango squishy and I did not expect it to be this big. It is actually humongous. Here's the back. I don't think this is resealable packaging. It is so slow to rise. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. By the way, if you're interested in buying any of these, I am trying my best to leave every single item in my captions, so always check the captions. Next, I'll be opening up this one, and this is a Kiibru mini bun. And there is the Kiibru licensing on the back. Next, I'm going to be opening this. And I kind of forgot what this was. I remember now. This is my squeeze toy polar bear, and I know they have a seal, but I feel like everyone has the seal, so I bought this instead. So it comes with these string kind of thingies. You can stretch it again, but I don't think that there's anything in here. It's like filled. But yeah, it is super fun to squeeze and play with. I got these. The first one is a green tea mochi. By the way, you can't choose like what designer color you get. Here's the packaging. Oh wow, I think they tried to make this green tea scent, but it smells like straight up lime and lemon. It smells good though. At least it's not like chemicals. Okay, so I'm gonna try to squeeze this. The flower does fall off though. Oh, there's this little tag over here. The next one is this Gudetama mochi. Oh my gosh, there's two. That's why it was so weird to open. Okay. So I guess this style was sent to me, because again, you can't choose. And Gudetama is sleeping on this mochi. Now, that one smells like chemicals. Okay, so that's everything that I bought in my package. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment below for like video suggestions, since it is winter break and I'm trying to post up more videos. I wasn't really able to when I was in school, But now that I can, I am open to any video suggestions. And that's about it. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!